Jeremiah Campbell here at Brickworks Property Restoration. One of the most fulfilling things that we get to do as contractors is solve people's problems. And we are on our way to save the day for this customer. They hired one of the big box vendors out there to come in and do foundation repair. And they screwed up. They screwed up big time. They sold their patented system. It's still under warranty. Their product is holding up. However, it's not actually fixing the problem. We're about to pull up to the house. I'm going to show you what a disaster this project is and what our solution was to fix this the right way for the homeowner. The project that I was just so excited to tell you about is right here behind me. We're here in Detroit. The customer has called over 15 different contractors out to fix this problem. The basement wall is actually failing, completely buckling in. I'm gonna walk you down into the basement to show you what's going on. One of the biggest foundation companies in the country came in and gave this guy a solution. They spent $24,000 with this company less than 2 years ago. The company, where are they? They're still in business. Are they honoring their warranty? Absolutely not. Who's the victim? The homeowner. This is the wall here that's having the catastrophic failure. This system is a patented system by the biggest name in the foundation industry. This is what happens when you hire the big box companies that don't have the bandwidth or the technical knowledge to actually give the customer what they need. This customer needs a complete wall rebuild. The shoring of the house, lifting the house off the foundation, excavation properly to make sure, most importantly, that we're doing the project correctly, following industry standards and above, and making sure our men completing the project are going to be safe to give the customer the product that they're paying for, that they originally needed. It's a $24,000 project where they're running these across. This was their excuse. Bolts into the floor, putting these C-channel brackets, and then they run a deadman across, which is a bracket where they're using soil pressure to hold and pull it together. This system may work in some applications. In this application, the wall is actually breaking around the channels. This is absolutely 100% the improper way to rebuild a basement. When it's all said and done, when you read the fine print of their lifetime warranty, their product is 100% standing. What they're actually going to do is they're going to stand behind the actual product. Here at Brickworks, we have a guarantee. We know this doesn't look right. Our guarantee is to come in and actually take care of the project to make sure the project is done right the first time. Remember, this is the foundation of your life, the foundation of your home. You can make sure you do the research of the company that you're doing business with. This is what you get with the big box companies because they don't have the technical abilities or the opportunity to look outside of their patented system to give you the actual solution. If you or somebody you know is dealing with an issue like this, give us a call at 586-868-3234.